Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the illuminated star in the grille, 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a silk beige MB text interior with a natural grain light brown wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with a backup camera, navigation with voice command, garage door openers, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 27,094 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.